If your Nintendo Switch touchscreen isn't responding at all, don't worry. Whether it's completely frozen or just ignoring your touches, there are several easy things you can try to get it working again. Let's troubleshoot step by step. Solution 1. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve short-term glitches on the touch panel. Get your Switch and press and hold the power button on top of it for about 3 seconds. From the menu that appears, select Power Options. Now choose Restart. Wait for the restart to complete and see if that fixed the problem. Solution 2. Reboot or reset the system. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a restart. The Switch will shut down after this, so press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back. This clears out any temporary glitches if the issues continue. Go to the home screen and select System Settings. After scrolling all the way down to System, go to the right and scroll down to the bottom again. Open Formatting Options. Tap Reset Cache. It's safe and it doesn't delete saved data. Recheck the touchscreen after resetting. Solution 3. Try a touchscreen test. Power on your Switch and go to System Settings. Scroll down and go to the controllers and sensors. On the right side, scroll down a little bit and select Test Input Devices. Choose Test Touchscreen from here. Follow the on-screen prompts and touch different areas of the screen. If touches don't register or lag, note which areas are faulty. Press the home button to exit the test. Solution 4. Clean the screen properly. Turn off your Switch completely before cleaning. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Gently wipe the touchscreen in small circles. Avoid water or cleaners. They can damage the screen. Once you are done cleaning, turn the console back on and test the screen again. Solution 5. Perform a full system update. Sometimes a software update fixes touchscreen bugs. Go to System Settings. Scroll down to System. Select System Update from here. Make sure your console is connected to Wi-Fi. If there are any updates available, install them. After updating, retest the touchscreen. If none of these steps fix your touchscreen, it could be a deeper hardware fault. In that case, I recommend visiting a certified repair center or reaching out to Nintendo support for further help. Hope this troubleshooting guide helped you out. Let me know in the comments if you fixed it or if you need more help. You can subscribe to the channel if you want more Nintendo tips.